Good morning, students. Today I am going to explain one of the poems from our workbook, chapter number 10. I repeat, I am going to explain one of the poems from our workbook, chapter number 10. In workbook, students, we have different exercises and we have to solve them. The exercises based on reading comprehension, vocabulary, grammar and writing. Here we are given the exercise of reading comprehension. Here we are given one short poem and based on that we are given question answer, MCQs and match the following exercise, and that we have to solve. So in this video I would like to explain the short poem given in our workbook, chapter number 10. The present poem, it is written by one of the famous poet, William Wordsworth. William Wordsworth, he always admired the nature. So it is in this poem also he admired the nature, or he expressed his love for the nature. See the poem now. First I would like to recite it. My heart leaps up when I behold a rainbow in the sky. So was it when my life began. So is it now I am a man. So be it when I shall grow old, or let me die. The child is father of the man. I could wish my days to be bound each to each by natural piety. This is the poem given in our workbook, chapter number 10. Now let's understand it. See the first two lines. My heart leaps up when I behold a rainbow in the sky. In these first three lines, the poet has stated that his heart leaps up. It means his heart is full of happiness. His heart is full of joy. When he sees, behold, it means see, watch, observe. When he observes a rainbow in the sky. In the first three lines, the poet has said when his heart is full of joy, his heart is full of happiness. When he sees or when he observes a rainbow in the sky. In other words, we can also interpret in our own words, when the poet's heart is full of happiness, when he admires the beauty of nature, or when he observes the beauty of nature. The beauty of nature, the poet has expressed by the line a rainbow in the sky. Rainbow and the sky, both are natural elements. So the poet's heart is full of happiness when he observes, when he sees the beauty of nature. A rainbow in the sky. A rainbow, we know it is of 7 colors and it looks very beautiful. And sky, here we can say it represents nature. So the beauty of nature makes the poet heart happy. Next, so was it when my life began, so is it now I am a man. When the poet observes the nature, he thinks that his life is begun. When he observes the beauty of nature, when he observes the beauty of nature, the poet feels that his life is begun. And now I am a man. This is the opposite, that when he was child and now he is a man. Now he is an adult. So be it when I shall grow old, or let me die. The poet expresses that he will die. He will die when when he shall grow old, but not he will die if he stops appreciating the beauty of nature, if he stops admiring the beauty of nature, if he stops observing or seeing the beauty of nature. The poet's love for the nature is expressed through this line that so be it when I shall grow old or let me die. The poet will die if he stops admiring the beauty of nature, if he stops observing or noticing the beauty of nature. So that expresses the poet's love for the nature. The child is father of the man. Now see this line. The child is father of the man. The child is father of the man. This line tells us that our childhood behavior and habits that decides that how we would be in future or when we will be adult. The child is father of the man. This line suggests that our habits or behavior of the childhood that decides our behavior and nature of when we would be an adult. I could wish my days to be bound each to each by natural piety. Natural piety means righteousness or piousness, purity. The poet wishes that each day should be passed by admiring nature's beauty or nature's beauty. So in this poem, William Wordsworth has admired the beauty of nature. He expressed his love for the nature. The poet William Wordsworth, his heart is full of happiness when he observes the beauty of nature. He feels that he would die if he stops observing or he stops admiring, he stops appreciating the beauty of nature. So this is the explanation or the summary of the poem. Thank you, students.